take off the center. We're beveling the edges before we actually fully weld it on to the quick disconnects. We just cut on the frame rail on the side of the strut tower. What we want to do is further cut the rest of the inside of the fender. So right now Ryan's taking off the fender so that we can get a Sawzall up in here. And we're gonna take some 1/4 inch thick rod that goes to the bar here. But we want to get rid of this part of the frame here because when we get in an accident, we don't want this to bend and further bend more stuff like a strut tower, for example. So that's why we have this all cut out. We're gonna do the same to that side. Meanwhile, Cole is building a bottom tube for this Zwing bar right here. On notching the bottom tube for our Zwing bar. Ryan is sanding it down. Woo. We're actually going to start selling Zwing Bar Lights, which is just the top bar. It's going to be cheaper, more affordable. It will bend easier when you get into a wreck. And we'll be able to pump these out a lot faster. And so if any of you guys are interested in the Zwing Bar Light, which is just the top bar, let me know. And if you have any design ideas or recommendations to make it more unique, I know whatever we've put together probably isn't going to be much different than a Street Faction top bar. And I don't want to, copy other people's designs. But at the same time, whatever works, works, right? So if it fits behind the bumper properly, then that's kind of the priority. So I'm gonna get back to doing this tube front. All right, so this is funny. These bottom bars are like really, really hard to make. I know you're gonna say in the comments, oh, I could do that, but it's not easy. Right, Cole? Tell him.
It's really easy, Zach's just not.
Yeah, right. Anyway, Cole fucked one up. Just like I did.
Hey.
What's
Zach,
your excuse? What's your excuse?
No, I'm saying you swear. You can't swear on YouTube.
All right. Anyway, Cole fucked one up. I fucked one up. And we're repurposing it just like I repurposed it originally to finish this tube front. So, check that out. We're going to make our marks. Has a little extra because we still have to notch it right here.
What are these?
But obviously we're gonna notch it the other way.
What's that gap there?
Huh? This is gonna come on over to this side. It's gonna go right there. It's looking good. What do you think?
I think
it looks rad.
I think it's Z-Wing spec. Z-Wing spec.
You're talking shit.
It's not Zwing, it's Z-Wing.
It's Zwing.
It's Z-Wing.
So you guys
Don't confuse people. It's Zwing. You can say Z-Wing, I don't care. Back to work we go. Look at this thing. Cole brought his mom's car. It's pretty nice. Basically, he convinced his mom to buy this for herself because he's gonna buy it from her for like $1,000.
Keys to success. Only way that you'll ever get to be a pro drifter
is having rich parents. There you go.
It's true.
Dude, I fucking drove my Chevrolet X today, man.
I could have driven one of my E36s, but this thing has AC.
Ace, dude, it's winter. It snowed last night.
I like AC.
But it's got AC though.
Whatever.
If I'm in the building.
Anyway, either way, no matter whose car it is, it's nice. We like it. It's a BMW.
It's got a big old front mount intercooler.
It looks pretty clean. Does it really?
Yeah.
Like, did you add it?
No, it's the guy before me added it.
No way.
Yeah, it's got a VRSF. Dude, you don't want blackheads in there. Hell yeah.
Big ass nose.
Dude, look at that pore right
Bro,
there.
you got a
You see that pore?
Ass
That thing's massive.
A 2020 330i here that we're just buffing a little damage from.
That thing's really sexy for a mom car.
It is pretty sexy.
Ours a MILF.
It is a mill. So here's a little bit of damage. That's all we're fixing. Damn. 2020. Look at this interior.
I know, and I can change the lights.
I know. This is like the new. It's like the E-Class.
Yeah,
Mercedes.
I love it.
Cool. What's that?
What's this?
Is this a Christmas gift for me?
This.
Thank you, Sam.
Dude.
Ryan, you want to see this?
Yeah, what is it?
Oh, dude, you're gonna love it. I'm so glad you wrapped it. Here, you open it.
Dude, I get to open it? It's kind of heavy, dude.
This is
Should
Ryan.
I not
This
shake
is
it?
Sam. We're here.
You wrapped it good.
Because you're gonna be using it a lot. Thank you, Sam. Look at that.
Dude,
Dude.
already got a little grease on the handle?
Basically, my girlfriend bought that for me for my birthday, and she thought it was misdelivered, so she like said it was like didn't show up, and so they sent another one.
Oh, this is so sweet, dude. The
Say-
easy change.
Oh yeah, look at that.
Dude, so nice.
Check this out. Look what we have waiting for us here. DeWalt
Oh,
blades.
we got
Do you just buy those like in
DeWalt
preparation
blades.
for
Nah, I've
this?
had this forever. Let's put one in. Cool.
There she is.
Let's test it. They get a new toy, they gotta play with it. Look how quickly that went through.
Dude.
If I had my Harbor Freight one, I wouldn't have done it.
Probably would have had to put a new blade on.
Clean.
DeWalt.
DeWalt.
This is not a paid advertisement.
This is not.
Thank you. All right, finishing up this top portion of the tube front. Just trying to nail this coping. It's looking good though. I think it looks rad. You've got tons of like room to work on the motor in here, which I love. Getting rid of that ugly core support. I don't know if I already said this, but we're tack welding this entire side because we need to still get this car to a frame shop and address this intense frame damage. So.
All right, don't get this part on camera.
Oh, we're getting it on camera. Ooh, look at you,
Oh,
dude.
it looks good there, but not down there.
Yeah.
It's
You're
getting
there.
getting closer though. Getting a little closer.
Look at us. We're learning how to fab stuff.
Yeah, we're doing it.
We're doing it.
Lil Mo.
Sometimes you just gotta go for it.
You just gotta fucking send it.
He's on there. So that can be cut off.
In the sky, gazing far into the night, I raise my hand.
All right, guys. Made some more progress. Haven't been filming, but I got the downward bars that are basically frame supports that go to the tube front, and you can see them here. The sky that goes right into the frame, notched nicely and fits right on that tube front. And if you go to the other side, I've already tack welded on this side And I made sure to get my measurements correctly so they are symmetrical on both sides, going down at the same angle, the same direction. Eventually we'll have to get this thing painted some cool gold color or something. Alright, I'm gonna call it quits for the night. I got some other stuff to do, like resting and eating, so anyway, continually going to try and pump this content out again. If you guys are enjoying it, you know, more of the daily grind, instead of just posting what I think is valuable to you guys. Tell me what you think. I really want to have a conversation with you guys, figure out where your guys' head's at on this. Do you think you would be more likely to watch it if I only posted twice a week, fiending for content, and you want like daily uploads every other day, 3 times a week? Talk to me about that. Also, guys, all of the shirts are on sale. I knocked them down from 32 bucks to $19.99 until January 1st. So please help support the channel. Pick up a t-shirt. I know it's just the simple black and gold Zwing design, but when we get the ball rolling again, when I get back on my grind, when I start making some money, coming back, bouncing back from this COVID crap that's been slowing us down tremendously, we'll invest more time into putting into some cool t-shirt designs, and you guys can always help with giving me ideas. So anyway, please consider subscribing if you haven't already. Leave a comment, please. I love talking to you guys. I'm gonna do my best to respond to everybody. Hit that thumbs up, and thanks for watching again as always, and till next time.